Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone. Artist Palette Sparkles. Today, we're jumping into the colorful and action-packed world of PJ Masks, where our brave heroes, Catboy, Gekko, and Owlette, are ready for another amazing adventure. So grab your pencils, your favorite colors, and let's bring these heroes to life step by step. Dizzy. Artist palette, let's begin with our speedy friend Catboy, and first, we'll draw his awesome mask with tall cat ears and smooth lightning details that show how fast he can move. Next, we sketch Catboy's body, starting with his sleek suit and brave smile that always shines with confidence. Then, we draw his strong arms and quick legs, showing he's ready to leap into action at any moment. Our Catboy looks full of motion and energy, like he's about to dash off using his super cat speed. High voltage. Now it's time to bring Catboy to life with colors. We'll fill his mask and costume with deep blue shades and lighter blue highlights to make it pop. Add those bright blue stripes on his suit. They show off his lightning-fast powers and make him look super cool. We'll color his eyes bright and determined, ready for any adventure that comes his way. Catboy is looking amazing, fast, fearless, and ready to save the day with style. Crescent Moon. Next up is our strong and cheerful hero, Gekko. We start by drawing his mask, round and covered with little scale details that make him look like a real reptile hero. His mask gets the same bright green color, matching his cheerful personality. Then we move on to sketching Gekko's body, adding his powerful arms, his small tail, and his big, friendly smile. We'll give him a fun, action-ready pose to show his bravery and strength. Our Gekko looks like he's about to climb up a wall or protect his friends from trouble. Flexed biceps. Let's fill Gekko's drawing with bright and fun shades of green that show off his energy and superpowers. We'll add a lighter green to highlight the scales on his suit and tail, making them look shiny and full of texture. Now Gekko looks strong, brave, and totally ready for action with his super lizard grip. Finally, it's time for our flying hero, Owlette. Let's begin by drawing her mask, smooth and curvy with those beautiful wing-like shapes around her eyes. Her mask and wings glow with bold red tones, showing her courage and power. Now we sketch Owlette herself, adding her flowing cape and wide wings that show she's ready to soar through the sky. We'll give her a confident and kind expression that matches her smart and brave personality. She's looking ready to swoop down and save the day with her super owl wings. Now for the best part, let's color Owlette with beautiful shades of bright red and pink to make her stand out. Add some soft pink highlights to bring her feathers to life and make them look full of motion. Her eyes sparkle with confidence. Owlette looks amazing, brave, and totally ready to fly into adventure. And that's it for today's awesome adventure on Kiddo Adventure Zone. Party Pupper. We drew and colored our favorite heroes, Catboy, Gekko, and Owlette, and brought their amazing powers to life with our colors and creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art every week, because every drawing adventure starts right here with you. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep being a hero of your own story.